Hey, Sean Jantz here, and I just quickly wanted to talk about the power of math in the stock market, and just to kind of share with you, how you can accurately predict how far. Let me turn this off. How far a market is going to move in any given day by using math and by using numbers that are out there wildly valuable. And so I want to share this with you. Basically what I do for you as a BTG member is I use an Excel spreadsheet on the 4 futures on Nadex. I use volatility, and I've created a formula to determine how far a market is going to move in any given day. I then take these numbers and I put them on your charts for you every single day so that you know how far a market is going to move in any given day. Now, I'm not going to do a deep training on this. I got trainings in my training center, so you can get in there and learn all about this. But basically, -1 deviation and our +1 deviation right there. Basically what that means is that when you can plug these numbers in, okay, you'll notice today on /ES was 2291.5. Basically what that means is that there is a 70% chance that price is going to stay below the 2291.5 today on /ES. Then we got the NQ, right, was 5142.3. 70% chance price is going to stay below that number. We then have the YM. 70% chance that price is going to stay below 2016 today. It's an amazing edge that you can build for yourself in the market. So now let's go and look and see actually what happened. Here's our +1. I put these on your charts for you. Check this out. This happens literally every day. Your mind's going to be blown at just how accurate these charts are. Okay? And so let me show you this. Today on /ES, we literally go almost to the tick to the +1 deviation and then back down. Right? So lots of people got in on that sell trigger there. We got /TF. Let me show you this one. We go almost, right? This one almost goes, this one missed the +1 by a point, but we basically get in the +1 region. We then hit lower highs, lower highs. I caught this sell trigger here, and it was really easy, right? Because I knew we were up above the +1, up around the +1 deviation, the same number that I calculated last night, 1384.8. I take it and I put that on your charts. You're going to know every single day roughly how far a market's going to move. We then move over to /NQ. Check this out. Last night, our plan was, not the plan, but the +1 deviation was 5142. This is all based off of math. Okay? Price goes within 1 point of 5142 and then straight back down. Could have made a couple $1,000 off of that right there. Then I got to show you this one. We go to /YM. Look at our deviation on /YM today, 2016. Oh boy. I put that on your charts for you as a BTG member. We literally, and this is not just me showing you this happens day in and day out. Your mind is going to be blown using my charts. We go to the tick, to the +1 deviation, 2016, and then of course we make our way back down. Unreal the opportunity that you have using my charts. You have also deviations. You'll also have trade plans. You also got a chat room in here so we can talk about trades. We can post charts. Look at this. A guy here, Tom, he caught the sell trigger right off of the +1 deviation because he has my charts. He knows where the +1 is. I want to show you also Mike Perigo got in around the small cap 2000, right around the +1. He made a little over $700 near the +1 deviation. This stuff is awesome. These charts will blow your mind as long as you get in here and learn them. It's going to take a month to 2 months to actually make sense, but trust me, you're never going to find anything better than this. I've had people challenge me to find better support, resistance, and magnet plots, and nobody has ever found anything better than this. So comment if you have any questions, and make sure that you can reach out to me or Ryan Smith.